how to add a scroll triggered animation and Wix. So in order to do that, you can just head over and then choose which one you want to actually have a scroll trigger animation. Let's choose in here this Let's Chat option. Now click on the settings option right here in order to open the settings for that. So it actually depends on the element that you want to add a scroll trigger into. On some cases, they will be sticked or stick on one page. You can head over right here to the design and we have in here this background and a lot more for this one. So you can just choose the design for this as well. Now, alternatively, you can also select on a specific part or section. You can click on that section right here. And then once you have selected the section, you can see in here some options like background scroll effects. Click on that right there. And then let's choose in here a fade in option. And in that way, when customers actually visit your site and they scroll through it, they will be able to see in here a fade in effect. So that's how you add a scroll triggered animation and Wix. Hope you helped